Hi guys, it's Alaina and Ava at Red Strand Salon. We're gonna show you a cute face painting idea to do on your daughters for Halloween or birthday parties or just something fun. All right, so we are just gonna jump right in. We have our face paint over here on the other side of me, a couple sponges, and we are gonna start with some white face paint. Come here. Pose them gently. All right, so we're just going to put some white on these eyes, kind of making a little bit of a point at the top of the eyebrow, forming that butterfly shape. And then a little rounded spot at the bottom of the eye. And now we're gonna go in with some pink. Come on, you want pink in it, right? Right? Dab it off. And we're just going to kind of line that white. Alright, so we're going to go in with the purple. Come on. And we are using just this small little beauty blender, which is nice compared to regular sponges. I have both, but the beauty blender gives me kind of more of a solid look, whereas the stop growling. The sponge that comes with the face paint is a little more splotchy. Pretty. So right now we have our 3 butterfly colors on, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be flawless because it's gonna look pretty either way. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this fine-tipped paintbrush, which is from Michaels. Super helpful. We're just gonna kind of create that butterfly look. My left side's always a little sloppy because I'm right-handed. But that's okay, right? You still love your butterflies, right? Hey, look this way. Look this way. Ah. And we can always go and clean up with a baby wipe after, right? Sure can. Let me give you a unibrow. Then your eyebrow will go all the way across. Okay. All right, don't laugh. Ah, you're making me mess up. Ah. Okay, quit smiling. You're messing me up. Okay, quit looking at yourself. Okay, deep breath. Okay. AV, stop. It's never easy doing face painting with 4-year-olds. But it's fun.
Can I try on you?
No.
Yeah.
All right, and I'm just gonna kind of stop. You're messing me up. Blend a dark outline in with just some watered down color. And again, doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of swish it around. There, I think that looks nice. If you want it to look a little more perfect, you can always go back in and do blending. Kind of blend out some of those colors. Now we're gonna go in and make the butterfly body.
Let's do it quick.
Well, quit messing around. We're gonna make a little head or a big head. There we go. Now we're just gonna take this tip and lightly and then push down and then back up. And just some light little antennas.
My mommy's taking the nose. Doing it. And you were burning. How?
Hey,
You're funny.
you're funny.
Because it's all around my nose.
We love face paint. Oh,
Stop
look at all
that. Stop that.
You stop.
Stop. You're messing up my eye.
And that's what a regular sponge does. Okay, let me see your eye.
Stop. No.
Quit. I'm blending it. Quit. Can you look?
What are you doing?
Mm,
I look crazy.
You do look crazy.
You messed it up.
I didn't mess it up. I wanted more white.
Stop that.
Wow. All right, this has been our butterfly face paint tutorial. Please do like and subscribe our videos to see more.